Well, me and Stone Collector's out here walking the field. Just to show you what he had just found. What a nice piece. Now I've come across something here. Let me find it. Oh, there. Camera's not going to focus real good for some reason. Yeah, looks like it's mostly there. Maybe the little ear knocked off. Yeah, we'll take it. Get back with you, we find something else. All right. Just come across another one. Been broke a little bit. But I'll keep looking. Get back with you. Alright, I think I just found a better one. It's got some damage to it. Long base. I'll take it. Get back with you if I find anything else. Alright, come across a piece. It's not too bad. It's a little rough, but it's mostly there. I'll have to clean it up. Alright, got another one here. Oh yeah. That's better. Not too bad. I'll make a cleanup and get a better look. I'll get back with you. Alright, I'm back. It looks like I have an axe. I'm going to wait and pull it out. Oh boy. Ah, broke. Dang it. Perfect polished bit. Just broke. Shoot. Oh well. Better luck next time. Well, looks like my buddy found another one. Not me. Looks like a good point. And he's not ready to pick it up yet, so still looking. A lot of field to look. So, get back with you. Alright, I'm back again. Little Stone Collector there. He just found one. He's getting ready to film it. But I just stumbled across this. Looks pretty good. It is good. If I can keep a hold of it. Looks like it may have one ear, little ear damage, but Pretty good flaking. I'll get back with you if I find anything else. I'll have to go see what he's found. Alright, been about a minute, but I already disturbed this one. Pretty good. I'll do a cleanup. Well, Josh, he's struggling. He's found 3 or 4. Alright guys, here I am with a cleanup. Found quite a bit of pieces, just nothing real great. Pretty good. It's not a bad point there. Little ear damage. Pretty good day overall. You guys want to see some of Stone Collector's items he had found. He found some really good pieces. You guys need to check his website out. His page. He's got some really good stuff. We had a really good day. So these points they're not the finest quality, but I pick them up all day long. Plan on going again. It rained again. Right here, broken axe. That was a heartbreaker of the day for me. I think that's the 2nd or 3rd broken axe I'd found this year. Nice polish would have been good. That one had a little ear knocked off. Kind of different. Yeah, that one had some damage all the way around. A little blunt looking. Nothing great. But I just want to do a quick cleanup. It's probably my best one of the day. So I will get back with you guys when I find some more. Thanks for watching, guys.